All right, this is Coach Woodward. Today we're on a duck hunt, just to give you an idea of what we're going to be seeing. We got 5 ducks right here. Well, actually only 4, but we did get 5. Stay tuned. Got the whole video for you.
I'm pretty sure he
All right.
You set me up. You set me up.
2.5 more hours.
Oh, that's when your waders don't work. Oh, you see those? I'm not seeing any.
What landed over here behind me?
Yeah.
One coming behind you, Dan.
Oh, God.
Those are pretty high, but those may be our only shot today. The way they're flying.
Well, they might.
Got him. Yes, sir. Yeah. Or you did. One of us.
You got that one. You got one?
Yeah. Over here. Oh. Ah. Yeah.
Be about 3 top level at the highest.
They need to come down. That's the line.
Huh?
Those were high.
I gotta be below 3 top level, okay?
They need to be coming down.
They're behind me.
Those were too high, I shot at?
Yeah. You want them to be below the 3.
Got you. Oh, dang. Where are they coming from? Oh, here comes some. Here comes some. I got one. Where'd that fall? Did you see that fall, Craig?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's still swimming though.
Where is he?
I got my eyes on him.
Okay. Here comes one, Reed. Got him. Feathers. Gosh. I'm shooting today, boys. I'm bathing in feathers right now. Shoot, I probably should have. Oh, here comes some, guys. Hey, you can only have 2 apiece, right? Or 3.
Trees in my way.
Oh,
Oh, that's pretty good.
oh wow.
Blasted.
Got beak, huh?
They got a big spot over the yeah.
Where's your duck at?
Huh?
Where? What?
I already picked him up.
I can't get there. Oh, got holes. We got one, the one that I shot.
You got 2.
I wish you would have thrown this duck a little farther.
Why?
Because it's like holes and. I'm not as tall as you are. Oh, got him. First guy right here. Woo. Good shot. Very pretty. Beautiful wood duck. Oh. First wood duck ever killed. Beautiful. Good hunt this morning. Oh, Reed. Maddox, you shoot your first one or no?
Picked it up.
All right, man. Oh, the guy called him in. Oh, look at these. These are pretty wood ducks. Did you get any, Chris, or no? All right, 3 wood ducks here. And we got about 3 more coming.
I knew he hit crash. I just saw him.
DG3 and 2 coming back with another wood duck. Duck number 4.
That's crazy. I think we've about killed 1 or 2 females out of 50 ducks, maybe. Well, I say 50, probably 30.
There's number 4.
Did he?
Yeah. He was way on me, dude. He didn't go where we told him to, but he. I saw a bunch of ducks fly
You did it for Christmas? I've had that.
Who cares?
With
There's a lot of them flying. Probably
big woods. Hey, he's got.
down to the left. Down to the left. In there.
You got a girl.
She can't kiss right now.
Oh my.
She's all tore up.
Oh, my.
Shot twice. Anybody? We need to go rescue gear.
I only had like a couple come in. It was dark. The only ones I had really on like a good like shot like that. It was dark, and I shot at it anyway.
They flew up pretty early.
Yeah.
Well,
5 ducks.
We got 3, 4, 5 ducks.
Is that all we had? We have 6 with Brandon.
yeah, his is right here.
It's only 5 too.
The one time I shot, I hit.
Well, that's good.
It's debatable. I think I shot that one that you shot.
Because you would have hit my dad if you did.
Take your
I'm
hands.
messing with you.
Since you got blowing hands, wipe your hands on your pants right here, Lo. Yeah, I know. Don't roll this thing, son. Not roll this thing. Wipe them on your wet pants.
Here, Maddox and Daniel, y'all give him there.
You got one on one side. There you go.
All right.
All right, so let's get to the top of the. This is pretty much taking the skin off, so this is not keeping your skin. Just want to peel. It's the only one. This one ain't working like the rest of them were, of course.
We already did it on this one just to show you.
Maybe we will leave the skin on. I guess if feathers coming off like that.
Good shot on this one right here. Unfortunately, got part of our breast.
Chew. Make sure you chew your food. This is organic.
I did 2 over here before the video. 2 nice little duck breasts. Cleaning another male.
All right, so we got
Feather the, defeather the chest, the breastplate.
And then we're gonna go
off gun and shoot it.
right down the center of the breastplate. Keep your knife angled towards the breastplate. Follow that bone on down. We'll cut that skin.
And here's the finished product over here without the skin. Actually cut the skin off of this one. There's a little skin left right there, and there's the finished product of that wood duck there. And now he's just gonna take out the other side of the breast. Let's get to cooking these ducks. I'm just gonna go ahead and post a list of the ingredients that I used in this marinade for these wood ducks. They're right up here. So just take a look at these ingredients. It's mainly, obviously, soy sauce. We're gonna do some honey at the end, but here's a list of these ingredients right here. This is a recipe I got from my buddy. He said that this is the best way he knows how to do ducks. So we've been kind of letting them sit in water for probably 12, 14 hours today. Got all the blood off the breast, and now we're gonna marinate them for 24 hours for tomorrow's my 40th birthday. So we're gonna grill these wood ducks on the grill, and maybe put some jalapeno peppers, some cheddar, stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get these marinated. Got them in my trusty Arctic cooler. It's kept ice in it all day. Of course, it's been cold here. Only thing is, if any of my subscribers want to, man, the zipper broke on this thing. It's been a great cooler except for the zipper. I'd love for someone to send me a new Arctic. That'd be great. But we're gonna go ahead and marinate. We've got 8 duck breasts in here, and you can see the water just takes that blood out of there, and so they're not gonna taste as gamey as they normally would. These are wood ducks, and it's kind of a gamey meat, but they're gonna be tasting even better now that we've got a lot of that blood out of the meat. So stay tuned and let's see how these duck breasts turn out. All right, the duck breasts have been marinating for 24 hours, and we're also gonna actually make a little appetizer with some duck poppers. So we got some nice fresh jalapenos here. We're gonna cut the tops off, and then we're gonna take all the seeds out. We don't want them incredibly spicy. If you want them spicy, just leave some seeds in there, but we're gonna do that real quick. All right, now we're gonna take, I've got some cream cheese down there and some sharp, extra sharp Cabot Vermont cheese. And we're gonna take our duck breasts, and we're just gonna lay them right over the top. Some I have little tenderloins, some I just have pieces of duck breast. We're gonna lay them right over the top of the cream cheese and the sharp cheddar. And then we're gonna come back and wrap these guys in some thick cut, which I probably should have thin cut, but that's all I've got at the house right now is thick cut bacon. We're gonna wrap the thick cut bacon around these and then put a toothpick to hold them together. All right, but here's our second step. Cream cheese, sharp cheddar, duck tenderloin or duck breast, and couple of these. We're going to double up on the duck meat just because we have extra duck meat here. And these are big, large jalapenos. Should be good. Stay tuned. Okay, the last step is to use a little bit of this I don't know how to pronounce it, Hoisin sauce on the side that you're going to put down first on the grill. And so I'm going to put this on the duck side down to make sure that's cooked all the way through at first. And then I'm also going to put some of that sauce on the top as they start to cook. Okay, our coals are ashed over white, looking pretty good. So we're just going to throw these guys right on the grill and hope for the best, because this is the first duck that I've ever cooked. But you can't go wrong with putting a little cream cheese and fresh, sharp cheddar, and a duck that was fine just a couple days ago. So stay tuned as we put these on. All right, we got these babies on. As you can see, a little bit of that sauce coming off and making them flare up. All you got to do is put this lid on, cut out your flame for a second, and hopefully that'll keep it from flaring up. All right, our appetizers are done. The jalapeno popper is complete. So we had a really fatter bacon, so it did kind of burn a little bit, but I'm going to cut my boy Ford a piece right here, and I'm going to have him do the taste test on here. So we get some duck. We got bacon, we got jalapeno and cream cheese. There you go, bud. Big bite there. Get up close so the camera can see you. Ooh. How was that? Good? No, you like it? Good. No, it's delicious. I don't know if you can see it there. You got the duck tenderloin, the jalapeno, sharp cheddar, and then the bacon, the thick cut bacon. Huh? Toothpicks to hold them together. Let's get a bite right here. Check it out. I just shot some cream cheese out there, but absolutely delicious.
This one doesn't have a toothpick, Daddy. Daddy, this one doesn't have a toothpick.
Well, now, just a second, we're going to go out there and check on our duck breast. Okay, let's check on the main course. Should be about ready. Definitely are. Just go ahead and get them off. But there's our other 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little duck breasts. Flying, a couple days ago. We're going to take those guys off. And then we'll be done, man. We'll be done. But if you like this recipe, please don't hesitate to subscribe and to Coach Woodward and hit the notification bell. So, because I'm going to be cooking up some more, outdoor food, hunting, fishing. Love to do that stuff. Especially when it's not football season and I have the time to hang out in the outdoors with my family and cook some wild game. The last thing we're gonna do is just drizzle a little bit of this Savannah Bee honey blossom, orange blossom, fresh honey over the duck breast right before we serve it, and that's gonna be the final touch. Absolutely delicious, medium rare duck breasts with a little honey, and that's our main course. And I already had one of them, and it was absolutely delicious. Duck breasts with jalapeno poppers. Here's one of my jalapeno poppers. Got a little bit well done, but absolutely delicious. And there's not a more fun animal to hunt than a duck. And I really have only killed one, but I've been several times, but it was pretty awesome. Be sure to like, subscribe to these videos, and keep watching the channel for more hunting, fishing, and eating.